In today's video, we'll be looking at the different types of networks. The objectives for today's video. At the end of the video, you will be able to know the types of networks. These are the local area network, the metropolitan area network, the wide area network, and mobile networks. Types of networks that are used for computers. The types of networks are local area network, which is abbreviated LAN, metropolitan area network, which is abbreviated MAN, WAN is the abbreviation for wide area network, and we have the fourth type of network that we are looking at today is mobile networks. LAN is the abbreviation for the local area network. A local area network comprises of two or more computers that are connected together in the same geographical area. Although in the same area, this network does not have to be in the same building. Medium and small businesses or educational institutions normally use LANs. We're continuing with the local area network. Twisted pair cables or coaxial cables are normally used to connect LANs. Twisted pair cables are best suited when the volume of data transmission is low or when the speed is not essential. Twisted pair cables are slow in transmitting data but are cheap in comparison to the coaxial cables. Coaxial cables are used for voice, video, and large volumes of data transmission. Coaxial cables are expensive than the twisted pair cables but are faster. We're continuing with the local area network. Wireless technology are popular within LANs. No cables are used if wireless technology is used in LANs. Wireless technology uses radio and microwave signals to transmit and receive data. When it is not convenient to use cables, wireless technology is used. A wireless LAN uses no wires. MAN. This is the abbreviation for the Metropolitan Area Network. A metropolitan area network comprises of two or more local area networks that are connected in the same metropolitan area using high-speed network. A metropolitan area network handles a majority of the communications activity in a metropolitan area. A MAN normally comprises of two or more local area networks, but it is for a smaller geographical area than a wide area network. A state like Florida has a MAN which connects various organizations that are associated with government agencies and single users that are located around the capital of the state. One is the abbreviation for wide area network. A network which covers a wide geographical area is known as a wide area network. Twisted pair cables or coaxial cables cannot be used to connect computers in a WAN. To transmit data, a combination of fiber optic cables, telephone lines, satellite, and microwave technology are used. Fiber optic cables are used to transmit data in a WAN. These fiber optic cables are birth-in cables through which light transmits data. Large volumes of data can be transmitted very fast and accurately using fiber optic cables. These cables are frequently used by the telecommunications sector. Mobile networks. Wireless communication between mobile devices is possible with the use of 2G to 5G mobile networks. Improvements in speed, capacity, and functionality is achieved for each generation of the 2G to 5G mobile networks. The latest 5G generation provides ultra-fast speeds and low latency. Autonomous vehicles and smart cities use this technology. In summary, in today's video we looked at the local area network, the metropolitan area network, the wide area network, and mobile networks.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.